Hello students, welcome class 4 to your e-learning computer class. Previous class we have started a new chapter. I hope you all have watched my previous class and I hope you all download in your machine logo. Previous class we have started a chapter that is log with logo, go with logo, go with logo. Logo, what is logo? Logo is a computer language. With the help of this language we can draw some basic shapes, we can do calculation and we can print. In this chapter we will learn how to print the text and how to do the calculations. For this we have to learn few commands. Using the commands we can do this. These are called the primitives. These are called commands and are also we can say the primitives. Okay, what is primitives? We have already learned a few primitives in the previous class. Previous class we learned few primitives, and now look, you all please follow your book. You all please open page number 92, chapter number 7 and page number 92. Primitives. These are primitive FD. FD is a command, is a full form of FD, forward. Full form of FD is forward. It's given in a chart in your book. You all will learn all this, because when you will write a program, you need this primitive, you need this command. Using this command you can write a program. So FD is a command, its full form is forward. What is the function of this? FD command, it's move the turtle forward by a given number of steps. It's move the turtle forward by a given number of steps. How to write this command? When you write a command, first you write the command FD and give a space, and after writing the space you have to give a unit. We have to give a unit. This is the example. We have to give a space between command and unit. Next is BK. BK full form is backward. BK full form is backward, and this one is used to move the turtle in backward. Move the turtle backward by a given number of steps. By a given number of steps. This is the backward. And now this one is used same as BK. It's a command and then a space, and if you want to move the turtle backward, then first write the command BK and then number of step will move the turtle backward by given a number of steps. Then LT. LT, it is a left turn. If you want to move the head of the turtle in left turn, then you have to apply LT. LT full form is left turn. Left turn. Left turn means we can move the head of the turtle. We can move the head of the turtle in the left side. Okay. Turns the turtle's head towards the left side according to the given degrees. According to the given degrees. The turtle, if you want to move the turtle in the left turn 90 degree, then LT space and 90. This is a degree. 90 degree, the head of the turtle will move. Okay. Then RT. RT, it is the full form is right turn. Right turn. Right turn means RT. That right turn means the head of the turtle will, the head of the turtle turns towards the right side. Towards the right side. According to the given degrees. According to the given degrees. RT 90. That means head of the turtle will move on the right side. The head of the turtle will turn the right side given degrees. That 90 degrees turn. Okay. If we give the 90 degree, if you give at 60, 120. Okay. Now home. Home means everybody knows home. Home we use to move the turtle to the center of the screen. Home position of the turtle is center of the screen. Okay. Home brings the turtle to the center of the screen. When we write the command home, no need any number, any degrees. Okay. Only home and then enter. CS. CS we use to clear the screen. Clear screen. clear screen we use the CS. CS, short form is CS. When we apply the CS, no need any numbers. Clear the main screen and bring the turtle to the center of the screen. Clear the screen means where we draw, the main screen will clear. Whatever picture I have drawn on the screen will be clear. Okay. When you apply CS, the main screen will clear and turtle will be in center of the screen. Okay. Now HT. HT full form is hide turtle. HT full form hide turtle. If you want to hide the turtle, that means you cannot see the turtle on the screen. That means hide turtle. And you can apply all this. Turtle we cannot see, but line will, if you draw anything, we can see the drawing will be there, but no turtle. After using the hide turtle, if you want to knit the turtle again, then show turtle. ST. ST, show turtle. Show turtle. Hide turtle and show turtle. The turtle reappears on the screen and hide the turtles from the screen. HT and L, HT and ST. No need any U date and any degrees. PU. PU for pen up. PU. PU, its full form is pen up. Pen up means when the pen is up. Pen up. Pen up means when whatever you will draw, you cannot see the line. Without line, your turtle will move. If you apply the pen up command, pen up means without line. If you draw something empty, your turtle is moving, but without line. Okay, pen up orders the turtle to lift up the pen from the screen. To lift up the pen from the screen and move without drawing any line. Without drawing any line. And pen up, and then again if you require the line, then pen down. PD. PD full form is pen down. Pen down, here is also no need any unit, any degrees. Pen up, pen down, HT, ST, CS, CT, and one I forget to give, CT, clear text. Clear text. If you want to clear the recall list box, there we can see the text. That means whatever command you apply, whatever primitives are there, recall list box, if you want to clear, if you want to clear text, CT. Okay, clear text from the commander screen. That means commander window will be clear. Now PE, pen eraser. PE full form pen eraser. Pen eraser, it is order the turtle to start working as an eraser. Pen eraser, that means it's ordered the turtle to start working like an eraser. PE apply and then BK50. That means then FD50 or BK50. FD50 if you use, then FD50 means in forward direction 60 unit will remove. Okay. Orders the turtle to working and like an eraser. And by, BYE, by, used to exit from logo. By command we used to exit from the logo. So you all please learn this table. Print command. Print is a command. Print command is used to display the letter, number or a word or a sentence in a commander window. Whatever text if you want to print, we can see in the commander window. This command is used to display a letter. You can display a letter, we can display a number, text or a sentence or a word also in the commander window. The print command can also be used to do calculation. Print command also used to do the calculation. If you want to see the result, then we have to apply print. The short form of print is PR. PR, print, P-R-I-N-T. PR, it is full P-R-I-N-T. Print short form is PR. Syntax, how to write a print command can also be used to do the calculation, and it can take only one input at a time. Only print command can take only one input at a time. Okay. Print a number. If you want to print a number, then print and then you have to write the text print and then pr 1 2 3 4 5. If you want to print 1 2 3 4 5 and then press the enter key, then we can see just in a commander window 1 2 3 4 5. We can see 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and now if you want to print character, if you want to print a character, to write a letter or a character type print command, label one space, you have to leave one space. Obviously when you apply the command, between the command, after the command you have to give a space and then write which one you want to print. If you want to print a number in this manner, you can apply the command. Now to write a letter or a character, type print command, leave one space and put double quote. Okay, put a double quote and then type a letter or a word and then you want to display, and end. In the end, as usual, press the enter key. You all know after writing a command input, you have to press the enter key or execute button. Okay, or execute command. For example, print C. For example, print C or print computer. You can see print PRC or a word. You can see after press the enter key on the screen. If you apply PR computer, COMPUTER, you can see here COMPUTER. Okay, now we can see the computer on the screen. And printing a sentence. If you want to print a sentence, how to write? If you want to print a sentence, then you have to apply PR or print and then these are bracket. Command, press the spacebar key, type print command, then press the spacebar key and type the text within the square bracket. This is the starting square bracket, and write down which one, and then after writing the sentence you have to close it, close the square bracket. For example, I love my country, and then closing bracket. Square bracket start and square bracket close after writing this command. Okay, after writing this, applying this, and then you can see here in the commander window just this one, I love my country, I love my school, I love my country. And printing the first word from the sentence, if you want to print only the first letter, now you all will apply all this and install in your machine. Okay, logo. Printing the first word from the sentence, you can display the first word from the sentence using the print first command. Print first command. To do this, type the print first command, press the spacebar key and type the text within the square bracket and press the enter key, and then press the enter key. Print first, and then if you want to need only the first word from the sentence, if you want to print, then PR and then in the bracket, I love my school, I love my school, and then square bracket close. Sorry, if you want to print only the PR first, if you want to print only the first word, only the first word of the sentence, print first, and then you can see only I on the screen, I will be print. If you want to print only the first word from the sentence, print first, and in the square bracket, within the square bracket you just write I love my school, only the first word you want to print, and then after pressing the enter key you can see the first word will be print. Okay, control, do you know the control plus X to move the sentence text from its original position, to move the selected text from this original position. If you want to come back, then you can press the control plus X. Okay, for today this much. Who have installed in their machine Logo, they will practice, they will apply the print command and apply all these primitives, all this command fd, bk, and using this command you will write a program. Make a using this you can draw anything. Okay, and using the print command you will write a sentence and the first letter of the first word of the sentence. Okay, for today this much. Next class I will discuss how to calculate, how to do calculation in Logo. Okay, mathematical operation. Next class I will discuss. Bye beta, bye all of you. Have a nice day.